Hello guys, hope doing well. As you can see, I have three board of Samsung Galaxy S3. It's numbered by I 9300. So as you can see, I have it to connect directly to the power source. The first pin is positive, second one is BSI, and the third one is negative one. So the second and third pin should be connected to each other because of the BSI should send some signals to the processor to turn on device directly without battery. And also, as you can see, this is my power source. I'm going to turn on my power source. As soon as I'm turning the power source on and pushing the power up button, you can see here, you can check that the card activity is going to start and the device going to use some voltage, and this indicator will show that how much ampere that we are using by this device. So after the gauge stability, we are going to make device flash or unlock or doing some change with the serial number. So we should wait till the activity finish. So it means that some software part or hardware part of the board is using more voltage, and after running up or starting up the all parts, it's going to be stable like this, and device is ready to use. As you can see, I have one USB cable. I'm going to connect this to the phone. Yeah, so as you can see, after a couple of seconds, I can see the GT 930 here, 9300 here, and it's ready to make it flash by Z3X box. The Z3X box is not connected to any cable, just directly connected to the USB, and I'm going to run the flash application. The name is Z3X flash, and write down here the i9300. After this, automatically the application is running up. This is a Samsung tool, and you can see the i9300. So for the start, you should go to the backup menu and take a good backup for the device to keep it for the next usage. I'm pushing the red EFS is the special part of the phone to take a backup. We should know that the device should be rooted, and also the developer option should be turned on. It's good enough to touch 7 times build number in about menu and use the root application like King Root or the other to make the phone root. Actually, you can see after taking backup, the operation started, and also all menus is done one by one and everything is okay. And now we have a good backup for this destination and we can use it later. And after this, we are going to take full backup of the certification of the phone. Is very special part of phone. We should have it. I will push the reset, and it means that device completely working well and connected to the Z3 box correctly and is working pretty well. So this is the current product code and also phone version and also the other items one by one, and this is the phone serial number. This serial is changeable and I will show you how to change it in next menus. It's very easy, but before any change we should have good backup for this device because of in flash time or any change may need it later. So it's finished. Actually, we can use this file for this path and for this address later. So the menus is very easy to use. By the flash is enough to select the file number to do the flash and push the flash button here, or make unlock the phone, or for the repair one use an IMEI number here. For example, you should know that in some countries it's not allowed to change the phone IMEI number. It need special access from the government to change the IMEI phone. Before doing this, 100% you should ask the telecommunication company and check with them that you are allowed to change the serial number or not, or you should select the serial number that it is taped on back of the phone, and also the serial number the same. These two options is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. The MAC address you can change it, but as I told you, you should find these numbers backside of the phone, open the end back and check this number and write down here, and then going to select repair. After 2-3 seconds the serial number is going to change. And I have one more menu, the name is download. I can download the latest version of the flash file of the Samsung S3, and finally the flash one will change the phone to the factory default and bypass all patterns, passkey or something. Thanks for watching and goodbye.